Hey Flutter devs! Welcome back to Block Mistakes, the series where we fix one common mistake at a time. Today's mistake is about performance and how to avoid unnecessary rebuilds. Nesting multiple block builders for the same block. Let's look at this common pattern. Looks fine, right? But there is a problem. Every time any field in cart state changes, all block builders rebuild. Even if only total changes, item count widget still rebuilds. You ended up rebuilding widgets like you crazy, even when nothing relevant changed. This slows down your UI and wastes precious performance. Now imagine doing this in a list or a large widget tree. Your app will suffer. So what's the fix? Use BlocSelector. It lets you extract only the field you care about, and it rebuilds only when that field changes. Now, each widget rebuilds only when its selected field changes. It's faster, cleaner, and more maintainable. So remember, don't nest block builders unnecessarily. Use BlocSelector to fine-tune rebuilds. Optimize your UI for performance and clarity. This was a mistake number 7 in Block Mistake series. Follow for more deep Flutter tips.